Hello, Professor. This is week 8 final presentation of organizational leadership course. And the topic of this presentation is having a retrospect of all the some of the leadership principles I have learned through this course and reflecting my thoughts on it. So in this presentation, we have the summary of the leadership principles. And also based on that, I have created a self-improvement plan for me for the betterment of my professional as well as academic career. So through this course, I learned about the practices of being an effective leader. And the course also helped me highlight the important aspects of the leadership principles and how to apply them to success in challenging business scenarios. And the main connection between leaders and subordinates and how together as a team they can strive forward. And there are a variety of leadership principles that have been discussed on this course. And throughout all these courses, I can create I chose specific leadership plans and created a plan to apply them to have a successful career. So one of the leadership principles I have chosen here from this course is setting the example as a leader. So leaders always needs to set an example, in my opinion, and they need to lead in the front line. And that is when the subordinates in the team get inspired and they will have the ability to follow the leaders. And also leaders leaders have to be an example for their subordinates by being by doing the things that they want their team to do, and not just observe from the back end, because that can be sometimes demotivating, and the team can fail to find motivation when the leader just sits back and observe and not participate in their main projects. And also this creates being in the front line creates an inspiration at every step of the project lifecycle, and also creates a positive environment within the organization or the team. The next leadership principle is seizing the opportunity, because each and every step in a project has a lot of challenges that the team needs to overcome. And also those challenges can often be considered as opportunities, and a leader can make necessary changes by anticipating these challenges and converting them into opportunity for the team to handle them successfully and get some positive value from it. And also in an agile business environment, a leader should be equipped to make necessary changes, always adapt to the changing environment, and also deliver important solutions. One great example would be working in a DevOps team, where the products are developed in modular level instead of the traditional waterfall model. The agile environment can be pretty tricky with a lot of challenges that may come up. But it delivers the product really faster, and the users enhances the user experience to a greater extent. The one more leadership principle that I found really inspiring was encouraging collaboration. So team effort comes down to a leader constantly engaging with the team and supporting the teammates, starting from the individual contributors, team leads, and everyone who works for the organization. And also, a leader can foster collaboration through multiple team events, presentations, happy hours, off-team activities, and such. And collaborative environment develops integrity in leadership, and also enhances the performances of the team. And these kind of inclusive activities promotes innovation and performance, wherein the team really feels encouraged to work and motivated to work for the leader and achieve excellence. So based on these leadership principles that we have seen, starting from setting the example, seizing the right opportunity, and encouraging collaboration, this is the improvement plan that I was able to self-create, of course, with the help of these plans. So incremental innovation. As I said, agile business environment is what often followed in rapidly changing business environment, and any innovation that I can think of in my world, I have to do it incrementally and not try to do all at once. So because there are a lot of changing factors that may come with a project, and you have to jot down the modular aspects of those projects, and take collaborative help and create entrepreneurial environment within the team, so that everybody can chime in for their updates, provide personal pointers, and this kind of collaborative environment will get the project part faster, not only faster but also accurate to its objectives. And I also found that I need more compassion in work, show more empathy to subordinates, and having a bit of emotional intelligence to create that collaborative environment. It'll go a long way in creating a team that is trustworthy and operate on high standards. So implementing these kind of personal plans in the business intelligence domain can be achieved through better communication, because we always work with data, and data involves reports and a lot of numbers, which can get very confusing, and having effective communication is a good way to move forward. Having collaborative environment, I cannot stress this enough. Collaborative environment is the way to success, and having a clear vision, because without a vision, if you get stuck in a project down the line, it'll be a waste of resources. So having a proper vision and working towards it will help you get to the final stage. And also an extension of incremental innovation, challenge and improve the process at any step. You have to have a feedback loop mechanism to revisit your steps and see what changes you need to make for the right path forward, and adapt to changing scenarios. And all these together will help you deliver the right solutions with the better standards. So in conclusion, the effective leader can be collaborative, should be responsive to quick changes, should show good level of emotional intelligence, and be inclusive and collaborate. And these are the references I have used. Thank you very much.